screw, look, there should be a line. But it's not, you know. I don't know. Whether it is because of the I will get the way.
Oh, okay, I see your plumbing's got to be along. Okay. No, you're fine now.
They're fine.
Oh, okay.
The only thing is we are not, and the screw.
It's okay, Dad. What is that? I don't know. How's it looking, Tom? Yeah. Should be tightened.
Okay. What are you doing, Tom? Oh, you're lining up. It's different.
Where's the,
Well,
when you get the
What do you need?
box?
Oh, this box, the box from the garbage disposal. Here.
well, you got to need something for a screw, yeah.
Wait, is there something missing?
The other one, no. The other one, there's nothing on one.
Nothing in.
The old one, got
Yeah, where is the old one? Is it all this? Or no, it's different. Yeah, they're different. This one's got a screw, this one, and that one you got to put screws into.
yeah.
So it's right here. It's right there. It should be over there. It should be like that. It should be like that.
So the
Instead of this, it should have screws in it.
Yeah.
Instead of a thing like that.
Yeah, because it'd be.
You probably gotta go to the hardware store and get a one. Get a clamp of screws.
Yeah. You're right.
Apparently it does not come with screws.
Yeah, you can find this one there, you know, because
So where the?
I have to put this over here in the clamp.
Yeah.
Are we at a standstill?
Yeah, this is you put this on like this. But this machine, it's a different sort of. Instead of screwing it on, it's got two screws, and you screw it. Instead of doing this, you screw it.
That's overload like that.
Yeah,
Right.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
Well, it should be humble.
Yeah, you think they'd have it. Apparently they don't. Apparently they think that's the plumbing thing, you know?
Yeah, but this one is supply over here. The supply.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, what supply? But. Oh well.
Did you take a word? Are you sure it's not around? You sure you didn't?
This one's okay now.